Hey everyone. So in today's video, we will see the importance of gumball in Rhino. So you have been seeing this option in other softwares as well, mainly in SketchUp. So in Rhino, we have this one option called gumball, which is over here. If you switch on this one, and if you click any object, you will see this cursor is popped up in this screen. If you switch on that, it will be not visible. So when you switch on that, it will be visible. So you go to the perspective with the use of gumball, you can able to move any of the object with whatever the position you want. This is the eyeball method. You can move wherever you want. You can move it up or down, or if you want to move it with the precision, you can just double click that or single click and just type 10 or whatever the dimension you need to move. It will move in that particular direction. So if you put -10, it will move in the reverse direction. Similarly, you can use this plane to move it in that particular plane itself. So if you see, this object will be moving in that particular plane. Also, you can take a copy of this object by using the gumball. You need to press Alt in the keyboard and just click on any of the sides, which are the direction you want to make a copy of it. You can just take a copy of it by left clicking the mouse button in that particular direction. If you want to move it like that, you can do it in this way. So this is the use of gumball with also, suppose if you want to you, you extrude this curve, you can click this curve and you can see this dot on the axis, right? You just click that and type the value for the precision method and it will extrude. Or you can just click that and left click on your mouse button and just drag the arrow upper or in the below direction, so it will create an extrusion on that. So this is the use of gumball with respect to the moving the object or copying the object or extruding the object. Suppose if you want to rotate an object, similarly you can select that object and so you can switch on the gumball and you can able to use this curves and just rotate the curves with respect to the direction, whatever the direction you want. Suppose I want to move it in that direction, you can just rotate the axis. It will rotate. Suppose you want to move it in a particular degree, you can do that also. Maybe 15 degree I want to rotate, it will rotate it to that 15 degree. Like this, you can rotate your objects in Rhino. And this object is rotated with respect to the center of this object. Suppose you want to snap this center to some particular point and rotate the object with respect to that point, you can go to this gumball and right click here and you can relocate the gumball. Before that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings and extrude ball size. It's fine. Yeah, you need to check this extrude ball size. You need to increase the value. Default it will be 0, so you can just increase it more than 0 so that it will be seeing it in the screen. So I'll go to the right click gumball and relocate the gumball. So you can snap it. So how do you snap it? You can just click on the snap and center point you can click and move this one to here. And it will ask for the direction also. You can just give the direction. So now it is snapped to this point and you can enter it. So once you are snapping it, your gumball is positioned to this object on this corner. Now you can rotate the object with respect to this snap point. So I'll rotate it 30 degree with respect to this. Yeah, you can do it. So this is how you can do rotation in Rhino with respect to the gumball usage. Now we will see the scaling option. So once you click the object, you will be seeing these boxes in this gumball. So this is mainly used for scaling the object. You can just click on that box and just drag it. It will scale the object to whatever the size you want. Suppose you want to do that, you can do it. If you hold shift, it will proportionately scale the total object itself, something like that. So it is as simple as that. And this gumball is really useful when you do work on the projects, and it will help you a lot at doing the copies or the rotating or whatever the scaling you're doing it. With respect to that, it is very very useful. So I hope this video is useful for you guys, and I will keep posting similar videos as well. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and do comment if you need to learn anything particular in detail. Thank you.